Oh, you're awake now, huh? Dude, go out of my house. Are you blind? What's wrong with you? Seriously.
All in favor, say. We like the flavor.
Go! Go home!
We're gonna praise all of our days until they take us away and turn us into glue. But Mr. Reynolds said, may the horse be with you. 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 May the horse be with you every day. By the Phillies that like me, of course. They all dig my bed, yeah, I'm a rockin' horse. You gotta take off your spurs to ride me, you know.